Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Students, in the previous video lecture, we solved two questions of exercise 11.1. Now, in this video lecture, let's start from question number 3. So, question number 3 is, find the breadth of a rectangular plot of land if its area is 440 meter square and the length is 22 meter. Also find its perimeter. So, क्या है हमारे पास एक rectangular plot है. Say suppose this is a rectangular plot and the area of this rectangular plot is given as 440 meter square and length is 22 meters. Clear? We have to find this breadth and also we have to find the perimeter of this plot. So area of plot is 440 meter square. We know that area is length into breadth. So implies length into breadth is equal to 440 meter square. Now this length is given as 22 meter multiplied by breadth is equal to 440 meter square. Now we have to find this breadth. So implies this breadth is equal, this 22 meter will be shifted to this side of the equation. It was in multiplication, it will go into division. So breadth is equal to 440 divided by 22. So when we will divide this 440 by 22, we'll get 20, and this was 440 meter square and this is 22 meter. Now this 1 meter and meter will cancel out. We are left with 1 meter only. So this is 20 meter. Clear? Or you can take this as meter square is meter into meter. Now this meter and meter will cancel out. So we are left with only this one meter. So 20 meter is breadth. So breadth is equal to 20 meter. Now we know that perimeter is equal to twice length plus breadth. So 2 into length is 22 meter. It was given plus breadth. We already got breadth as 20 meter. So 22 meter plus 20 meter is 42 meter. Now 42 multiplied by 2 is 84 meter. So perimeter of this rectangular plot is 84 meters. Clear? Now students, question number 4 is, the perimeter of a rectangular sheet is 100 centimeter. If the length is 35 centimeter, find its breadth. Also find the area. एक rectangular sheet है हमारे पास जिसका perimeter हमें देखी है 100 सेंटीमीटर, length भी देखी है 35 सेंटीमीटर, breadth हमें निकालनी है और हमें area ढूंढना है. So perimeter of sheet is equal to 100 centimeter. It is given. Now we know that perimeter of sheet is twice length plus breadth, or we can say perimeter of rectangle is twice length plus breadth. So here twice length plus breadth is equal to 100 centimeter. Now this 2, keep it as it is. This length is 35 centimeter. So instead of this L, we'll write 35 centimeter plus B is equal to 100 centimeter. Clear? Now this 2 is in multiplication with this. When shifted to this side of the equation, it will go into division. So this 35 centimeter plus B is equal to 100 divided by 2 centimeter. Now this 35 centimeter plus B is equal to 100 by 2 is 50 centimeter. Now this 35 centimeter is an addition with this breadth. When shifted to this side of the equation, it will go into subtraction. So breadth is equal to 50 centimeter minus 35 centimeter minus this 35 centimeter. So breadth is equal to 50 minus 35 is 15 centimeter. Also we know that area is equal to length into breadth. So length is 35 centimeter and breadth is 15 centimeter, and 35 multiplied by 15 is 525, and centimeter into centimeter is centimeter square. So this breadth is equal to 15 centimeter and area is equal to 525 centimeter square. So this is the answer. Clear? Now students, question number 5 of this exercise is, the area of a square park is the same as of a rectangular park if the side of the square is 60 meter and the length of the rectangular park is 90 meter. Find the breadth of the rectangular park. So क्या है हमारे पास, एक स्क्वायर पार्क है हमारे पास और एक रेक्टेंगुलर पार्क है. इन दोनों का एरिया जो है वो सेम है, दोनों पार्क्स का एरिया सेम है. सो in the solution we'll write area of square park is equal to area of rectangular park. Clear? It's given. Now we know that area of square park is side into side is equal, and area of this rectangular park is length into breadth. It means the side into side is equal to length into breadth. Now side of a square is given as 60 meter. So 60 meter into 60 meter is equal to length of the rectangular park is given as 90 meter is equal to 90 meter into breadth. Now we have to find out this breadth. Now 60 into 60 is 3600 meter square is equal to 90 meter into breadth. Now we have to find this breadth. So this 90 meter will be shifted to this side of the equation. It will go into division. So breadth is equal to 3600 meter square divided by 90 meter. The 0 and 0 will cancel out. The 9 1 are 9, 9 4 are 36 and 9 0 are 0. So 40 meter. So 40 meter is the breadth of the rectangular park. Clear? Now students, question number 6 is, a wire is in the shape of a rectangle. Its length is 40 centimeter and breadth is 22 centimeter. If the same wire is ribboned in the shape of a square, what will be the measure of each side? Also find which shape enclose more area. So क्या है हमारे पास? एक वायर है जिसको रेक्टेंगल बनाया गया है. This is the wire, suppose. This is in rectangle shape. Now this wire is ribboned. इस वायर को रिबेंड किया जा रहा है और इसको स्क्वायर शेप बनाई जा रही है. So लेंथ और ब्रेड्थ इस रेक्टेंगल की हमें दी के है. हमें इस साइड का स्क्वायर का साइड बताना है कितना होगा. क्लियर? See students, perimeter of this rectangular shape will be equal to perimeter of this square shape because it is the same wire which is ribboned from a rectangular shape to square shape. So दोनों का perimeter same होगा. So perimeter of rectangle will be equal to perimeter of square. Now we know that perimeter of rectangle is twice length plus breadth is equal. Perimeter of square is 4 times side. 4 multiply by side. Now this 2, keep it as it is. Then now this length is given as 40 centimeter. So 40 centimeter plus breadth is given as 22 centimeter. So this is breadth is equal to 4 into side. Now this 2, keep it as it is. 40 plus 22 is 62 centimeter is equal to 4 into side. Now 2 into 62 is 124 centimeter is equal to 4 into side. Now we have to find this side. This 4 will shift it to this side of the equation. It will go into division. So side is equal to 124 by 4 centimeter. Now when we'll divide this 124 by 4, we'll get 31 centimeter. It means side of the square is 31 centimeter. Clear? Now we have to find out which shape enclose more area. That means we have to find area of both rectangular shape and area of this square shape. Now students, area of rectangle is equal to length into breadth. So 40 centimeter into 22 centimeter, that is 880 centimeter square. Now area of square is side into side, and we already saw that the side of the square was 31 centimeter. Now 31 into 31 is 961 centimeter square. See students, this is 880 and this is 961. It means this square encloses more area. Clear? Now students, question number 7 of this exercise 11.1, you will do that yourself. That is an assignment for you. Now question number 8 is, a door of length 2 meter and breadth 1 meter is fitted in a wall. The length of the wall is 4.5 meter and the breadth is 3.6 meter. Find the cost of whitewashing the wall if the rate of whitewashing the wall is rupees 20 per meter square. Students, this question is exactly like the example first which I showed you in first video. It's exactly like that. अगेन यहाँ पे हमारे पास एक वॉल है जिसमें एक डोर फिट है और हमें वॉल को वाइट वॉश करना है, डोर को नहीं करना है. इन दैट एग्जाम्पल वहाँ पे भी हमें क्या करना था? वी हैड टू पेंट द वॉल एंड नॉट द डोर. सो हेयर इज द सेम केस. हेयर वी हैव टू वाइट वॉश द वॉल एंड नॉट द डोर. So first we'll find the area of door. Area of door is length into breadth, that is 2 meter into 1 meter, and 2 into 1 is 2, that is 2 meter square. Now area of wall including door. अब wall का area door लेके कितना है? That is this length 4.5 meter into this breadth 3.6 meter, and 4.5 multiplied by 3.6 is 16.2 meter square. Clear? Now we have to find the area of wall excluding door. Door को छोड़ के एरिया कितना बचता है, दीवार का कितना एरिया है जिसको हमें वाइट वॉश करना है. दैट इज एक्चुअली दिस 16.2 मीटर स्क्वायर माइनस दिस एरिया ऑफ डोर, दैट इज 2 मीटर स्क्वायर. नाउ 16.2 माइनस 2 इज 14.2 मीटर स्क्वायर. इट मीन्स वी हैव टू वाइट वॉश दिस एरिया. नाउ कॉस्ट ऑफ वाइट वॉशिंग 1 मीटर स्क्वायर इज रुपीज 20. 1 मीटर स्क्वायर को वाइट वॉश करने का 20 रुपया लगता है. The cost of whitewashing 14.2 meter square is equal to 14.2 multiplied by 20, and that is rupees 284. Clear? With this, exercise 11.1 is complete. In the next coming video, we'll learn further concepts and then further exercise. Till then, you will keep on practicing these questions. Allah Hafiz.